Get your ass out of here, and you will see the world as it is. You want to know who I am, why don't you ask me? You can ask all you want, just take a little bite, you'll understand. It's the same soup we made, but you know what they say about too many cooks. I wouldn't be who I am if the shit wouldn't have hit the fan. I wouldn't stand where I'm standing, and so I follow the waves. Yeah. Be whoever you are. Don't let them tell you what the fuck to do. California, here we stand. Just take the spirit and we'll get along. Yeah, I wouldn't be who I am if the shit wouldn't have hit that fan. I wouldn't stand where I'm standing, and so I follow the waves. Yeah. I wouldn't be who I am, you wouldn't be who you are. I wouldn't be who I am, you wouldn't be who you are. Yeah, I wouldn't be who I am if the shit wouldn't have hit that fan. You wouldn't stand where you're standing, so let's follow the way. Yeah.